Hello, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to make a sprint system inside of Roblox Studio. First you want to make sure your Explorer window is open and your Properties window is open. If those are not already open, you can go up to the View tab, click on it, and make sure Explorer and Properties are highlighted. Now you'll want to come over to Starter Player in the Explorer window. Make sure to select Starter Player and go down to the Properties window. Scroll down to the very bottom of the Properties window to find a section titled Controls. There will be a property named Enable Mouse Lock. This means Shift Lock is enabled, but we're going to disable this just for the purpose of this tutorial. If you want to disable it for yourself, just untick the box. What this does is it allows Shift Lock to be used inside your game. Now what you want to do is click the small arrow to the left of Starter Player. Now it will reveal two other sections. Find the section named Starter Player Scripts. Click on the plus symbol on Starter Player Scripts. When this is open, you'll want to insert a local script. If this is not already appearing, you can type in local in the search bar at the very top. Now click local script. After you've inserted the local script, this window will appear. Now we're going to do the coding. You can delete print hello world as this is just a test to see if the script is working. Now you'll want to type in local player equals game dot players dot local player. Now go on to the next line and type in local user input service equals game get service. Inside these two brackets you want to put in speech marks, and inside those speech marks type in user input service. Now you can go down 2 lines and type in user input service dot input began connect, and inside these 2 brackets type function, another pair of brackets, and type key underscore, and delete this bracket at the end right here. Now go down 1 line. Hopefully an end with a bracket should appear. Now inside the function you will want to type if key dot keycode is equal to enum dot keycode dot type in shift, and hopefully it should appear. I'm going to have left shift as my sprint button. If you want to do your buttons anything else, so for example R, you just type in R, but I'm going to have left shift. Then you'll want to type then and go down a line. Hopefully another end should appear. So what this does so far is it gets the player and it gets the player's user input service so we can detect what button they're pressing, and then it will create a function when an input has began, and whatever that we want that input to be will be here, and this will be our argument we will pass down here because our argument is key. So, and we've assigned key is equal to left shift. Now inside this if statement, you want to create another if statement by typing if player dot character squiggly line, I can't remember the name of, equals nil, then. So this detects if the player is in the game. So if the player character is not nil, then it will run our specific command. So go down a line, and hopefully you should have 3 ends. Inside this, you will want to type player dot character dot humanoid dot walk speed, and then how fast do you want the player to run when they're sprinting. The default walk speed is 16, so I'm going to put double the walk speed, which is 32. Now, currently, if we run the game and press shift, we will be stuck at this walk speed. So to fix that, is copy and paste this whole function by hovering your mouse near the end, and holding click and dragging all the way up to the top until everything is selected. Then you want to press Control C. If you're on Mac, it would be Command C. After you've done that, you can unselect it just by clicking anywhere. Go down a line twice and do Control V to paste it. If you're on Mac, this again would be Command V. Now, the two things you will want to change is the bit saying input began. You want to change that to ended, and you want to change the walk speed to default walk speed unless you want it lower. I'm going to set this to 16, and that will be your code done. Now you can close the script. If you want, you can rename this local script to make your game organized. Sprint script. Now after you've done, you can unselect it, go to the Home tab if you're not already, and then click the play button right here. Or you can just press F5. Or you can also press this play button in the top left corner. Now when we run the game and press shift, our character is much faster and we're sprinting. That'll be the end of this video. I hope you all enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.